light it makes everything. Here we go. Hey, another camping trip. Cheers, bro. Riding with AJ today on the SWM. SuperDual. So the plan is this weekend. It's currently Friday night. We originally were going to go deep into the high country and do Wangata, but the weather in the last 4 days has really closed out. So it's autumn here. Tomorrow night, Saturday night into Sunday, snow's predicted down to 1,000 meters. So we've sort of changed up our plan and our approach a little bit. Up it to the Howitt high plains and camp tomorrow around 1,500 meters and ride out this snowstorm. And the plan is to do some good riding also tomorrow as well. So dinner, I'm pumped for this one. I reckon you can work it out. Bush burgers. We're going to cook them on our little titanium grills over here. Got to cut up the sweet potato. I love sweet potato. Travels really well, particularly in the high country. Turn that into some chips, and then we're having burgers, pickles, special sauce, tomato, Swiss cheese, lettuce, on some brioche buns. God, dinner.
Gourmet.
Gourmet. Some sweet potato fries. Make sure they're well binded. Oh yeah, get some of that Swiss cheese. Roast the buns up. Hey-o. Sweet potato. Wooden chopping board. It's very on trend. Look at that. It's like something straight out of bloody Rockpool. Special sauce. Pickles. Burger on top. Tomato. Oh.
Fuck, where are we? We're not even camping, mate. It's got a 5-star kitchen just on the other side.
You, sir, are an asshole.
So breakfast, the backcountry cuisines, Kiwi meals, cooked breakfast. I rate it. A few people don't, but super light. And what I added is just some pasta tortellini. This is just a single serve, so it gives it a bit more bulk, a little bit cheaper too.
Makes it go a little bit further.
Get yourself some wraps. You got yourself breakfast burrito. What do you got?
Brown.
Hash brown. bacon, eggs, tomato, and pasta. All the good stuff. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o! The old watch is just going off, storm alert. That's great. Oh yeah, pressure's dropping. Probably a little bit steep.
1, 2, 3. You good? I'm letting go.
God damn it. Woo! Too much power. Woo! Sign. I can see why that sign's there. Starting to close in, so we're working on getting our tarp set up, getting these poles. It's going to help us when the snow starts, support a bit of this weight, get ourselves a shelter set up, then we'll put our tents up a little bit later. So this is the priority at the moment, so hopefully we'll get this finished within the next sort of hour or so, and then get a fire going, kick back, and then enjoy. Taking us a couple of hours, but we're getting there. It's I don't know, what do you want to call it? Base camp? The Button Man Camp. What a tribute to the great man himself. Bit of tinder. Get this gust coming.
Gusts.
Let's get this going.
Two.
3.2. Sun's about to go down. Set to take on the storm. See how it lasts. Oh man, we've done some work. This has taken us a couple of hours to get this all ready. I'll take you through it. Pretty happy with it. Right. Bikes are under here to help us with a bit of windbreak. So what we've done, we've got a heap of branches and just blocked up the back because that's where the wind's going to come from. Eventually that'll turn to snow. We've got this center pole here to help keep the snow from putting pressure on it, and we're hanging all our gear there, which is working well. And then we've got the fire right down the end, and as you can see, the wind direction is working in our favor, so it's blowing that way. So, and now we just wait, kick back, have a few drinks,
Some dinner.
cook some dins. All right, night 2 dinner. What do we got, bro? We got some
Japanese peroncino. So the basic dish is spaghetti, oil, garlic, and it's like Japanese chili. You get it a lot at Japanese restaurants. They have it on the table to smoke some capsicum on a grill, some tomatoes,
cheddar.
pancetta, cut off endings from my local stores. So
Yeah, nice. Water's boiling. Shall I get that pasta on?
Yep, definitely.
Tell you what, like it's starting to turn a little bit to snow. It's sleet.
Yeah, it is sleeting. It's Cutter, a black drummer. What's his name? Gary. Gary, look after my bike. Oh, no, he's going for the light. Don't go into the light, Gary. Don't do it, Gary.
Okay, we'll try charcoal up this capsicum in between hailstorm.
That's good, it's raining into there. As you know, oil and water goes well together.
Yeah, look.
It's
chilli.
nice.
That smells awesome,
Doesn't it? There's nothing.
Uh-oh. Here's our centre pole.
Tomatoes now. I'm gonna add the pasta into this.
There's your cat.
Thank you.
Well, that was a wild cook. Probably the wildest. The weather is just, yeah. Dude, this looks badass. Capsicum.
So you chuck that on.
That's it.
Itadakimasu! Kanpai. What do you reckon? Garlic.
Oh, wow. Oh, garlicky.
Spicy.
Spice. Oh, that's exactly all the flavours we need when we're up here with this brutal weather. It's snowing. Not heavy, but the rain is no longer.
Hi.
Welcome to the party.
Oh yeah?
How'd you sleep?
Oh yeah.
I was toasty. I was nice.
I was plenty warm enough. be a while until that's ready. Soup. Oh, warm drink. How good is that?
One thing I like to do is fire the bikes up when it's this cold, just to make sure, in case any issues, we can address them now, as opposed to just before we leave. So, let's see. There you go. Oh, bacon, baby! Here.
Oh, look at that bacon. Backcountry cuisine's got nothing on DK.
Fair work. G'day everyone, thanks again for tuning in for the trip. We're going to sign it off here. What an epic 2 days again, going from sunny conditions to absolute, how's this? What an epic storm, and we're so lucky that we've been able to experience it. First of all, thanks to everyone who's subscribed. It's so much support comes from you guys, and obviously to put this together, it gives me that energy to do it. And also the people who haven't subscribed, thanks. It'd be great if you could get on board and build the channel up. Thanks AJ for coming along, mate. Have a good time.
Oh, it was great. Thanks for planning it, DK. As always, you make it very adventurous.
Yes, that Caledonia river track.
Yeah, I won't be doing that with luggage again.
Ooh, I tell you what, with the bikes loaded up with all the stuff to camp in the snow, we probably added about 15-16 extra kilos of weight. And then obviously the snowstorm last night, awesome. Found a really good spot, super safe, super warm. Thanks for everyone for tuning, and see you next time. Cheers.